In this video, you'll add tasks to your to-do list. To start, delete the examples in the template. Then, take a few minutes to think about what you need to do for your event. Use the ideas in this video as you imagine planning your own event. Once you're ready to start adding tasks, type "Create a plan for the event" in cell C4. You're making a plan right now. Use the left arrow key to move one cell to the left, or click cell B4. Enter the date using a slash. For example, March 22nd is 3/22. Next, add your event and its date. Then, add at least 5 more tasks and dates to your to-do list. You may be unsure of the dates. That's okay. Just make sure you allow yourself plenty of time to complete each task. As you think of something that would need to be done, add it to the task column of your spreadsheet. Here are some examples. Modify these or think of other tasks for your event. Once you have at least 5 tasks and dates, add create logo, create flyer, create website, and promote the event. You'll complete each of these steps during this unit. You can quickly sort the spreadsheet to put the tasks in order. Sort the sheet in ascending order, or A to Z. This will sort from the closest date to the one furthest away. Delete tasks and rows if needed. Now, it's your turn. Add tasks to your to-do list. Add create a plan for the event. Add your event and the date. Add at least 5 more tasks and deadlines. Also include create a logo, create a flyer, create a website, and promote your event. Then, move on to the next video to assign these tasks to different people.